Forgot your WordPress password and not receiving reset emails? No problem. In this video, I'll show you how to reset any user password instantly using WP-CLI. Alright, so first of all, I will be just trying to, let's say, trying to like login as a user inside a private window to see how it works. So I am just going to WP admin, and if I try to log in, let's say I forget my password. All right, so how to do that, how to fix it, and how to make it work if we don't have access to our email? Let's jump into the fix. I am going to command prompt on my installation, so you can simply right click in your root and open in terminal, or you can simply click here cmd and enter. All right. So in your case, you have to go to your WordPress root directory, and you have to open your shell or command prompt. All right. So what's next? Next thing is you have to use our user command like WP user update. To which user we will be updating? It is your johndoe. All right. So what we will be doing? We are simply changing its password, and we are setting it to like 1 2 3 4 and 5. All right, so if you see, it has done. Now again, if I just go back to my site and use same password which I added there and try to log in, it should work. All right, so how it does actually, we simply use our user command, but the function of that command is to update. Then we pass username, and also we pass user password, and then value whichever we want to set as a password. That's it. Password changed instantly. No email, no dashboard, and nothing else at all. And if we want to change password with the ID, so we can simply use same command, but this way we can set id instead of username. Like I knew my id, so I have got it. So if I don't know my id, I can simply first call my wp user list command, and from here I can check id of this user, and it is 3. All right, so then we can simply call our update command on that particular user, and then we can set our password to like 1 2 3, because the purpose of this is to only show you. So it is now 1 2 3. I can go back and just log out, and if I now try to log in again, and this time I will be using my password 1 2 3, boom, it's done. If you don't know the username, the method I just shown is the same one. You can simply list your users and you can check everything like this. This way you can also verify all the user roles which we discussed in the previous video. All right. So if you want to have a strong password, you can also use it with the WP generate password thing. If let me try if that works. So here our, and here we can call it like WP eval, and we can do it like this, so we can see if that works or not. Okay, so it says user id email or login eval. So it's getting some sort of a method, but it provides us everything. Like we should not be echoing those things into the terminal. All right, but our user got updated successfully. All right, so the main thing is you have to first of all verify which user you want to update, and then you have to be certain if you are setting a strong password. All right, so you can also use different commands like to set all the users. You can follow the list of all the users. You can also check or update the role of certain users, and simply you can also create your users from using simple commands. All right, so don't use weak passwords like this on live sites. Always use strong passwords, especially for admins. That's how you reset WordPress passwords instantly using WP-CLI. No email required. Fast, reliable, and perfect when emails fails. Alright. To learn more about WP-CLI and to get full details and to cover everything from beginners to advanced, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and following along this series. Alright. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.